Greetings, people. This is Pink Frog, Yellow Brute from Behaviors. We work towards achieving holistic health for everybody. How often have you people heard somebody saying or yourself saying, "This is who I am, this is how I am"? A lot of time, right? So we understand our patterns, we understand our behavior, and we lock ourselves in that personality. We've all heard of self awareness and self acceptance. When we talk of these few things, there is one thing that we really don't pay a lot of attention to, and that is as human. We might not be the most superior of beings, but we sure are the most evolved. So, next time when you see yourself in a situation where you are saying that this is how you are or this is who you are, think again. Is it something that is helping you grow, become a better you? One. Second thing, think. Is it something that you can improve on? Three. Is it something that you have no control over? When you think of these three things, you will realize that a lot of time when we say this is who we are sticking to a habit or a comfort zone that is keeping us stuck in a particular situation or a paradox. So, when something like this happens again, understand the theory of acknowledging and accepting. Acknowledge what it is. If it is something that is in a variation that you cannot change, like your physical appearance or a bodily this thing or a external variable that is beyond your influence, then you might accept it. If it is something that is not helping you grow or that might be improved, acknowledge where you are, accept it again. After this acceptance, whether it is changeable or not, comes your choice on whether you want to improve through it or be there. Also, acceptance gives you a choice whether you are accepting of the control that you don't have over it or a situation that is beyond your control, and accepting it and making peace with it. But if it is in your control, if it is something that you can improve on, change upon, get out of your comfort zone to grow and be a better person, the acceptance is to take responsibility and change it for your betterment, to be a better version of yourself. Acceptance is the first step to improvement here and not the last step to get stuck. Acceptance gives you a choice to make peace with it or improve from it. So, next time when you hear yourself saying that this is who I am and this is how I am, think through it on where it is leading you. Acknowledge it, accept it, and then make your choice on how you want to go about it and how you can go about it. Wishing everybody a very happy acceptance, a very happy growth, and a delightful future. Stay safe, stay healthy.